Welcome to the Vrindavan Garden.
So this is the place near Vrindavan Gardens and near the Infosys office here in Mysuru, where I came for lunch today. And the place is extremely beautiful, known as Golden Grass. Therefore, I just thought to show you all this place in case you happen to visit Vrindavan Gardens here in Mysuru, which is very famous and very beautiful. I'm yet to visit it, but I've heard so. So you can come and halt at this place, and the lunch was also very good. So yeah.
So, as I headed towards the Vrindavan Garden, I got to see this on the road, and this was the training center of Infosys in Mysore. This training center was huge and it was clearly mentioned Narayan Murthy's Center of Excellence. And on the other side of the road was L&T Technology Services buildings. The weather was beautiful, roads were smooth, and we headed towards the Vrindavan Garden. So let's begin the tour of the Brindavan garden. Now, as we reached the garden, we had a very less time in our hands, so we decided to take this battery car and tour around the garden. So basically, this garden is located 12 kilometers away from the city of Mysuru. And in case you want to stay within the garden, these are the hotels which are available inside. And it's absolutely mesmerizing, like it's very beautiful, very beautifully maintained, and it was built in the year 1927 and it was completed in the year 1932, and this garden is spread across 60 acres of land. I was really happy touring around the garden, and all the latest technologies of growing the trees and these beautiful plantations are used here.
This is so beautiful. Are we allowed to walk on these grasses?
Yes.
Basically, that is the hotel in which we can stay, right?
Right.
Whenever you are planning a visit to Vrindavan Gardens and if you want to stay within the campus, then that is the hotel which needs to be booked. And this is not exactly on the banks of River Kaveri, but near River Kaveri. And the entire irrigation of this garden and the entire maintenance is done with the water of River Kaveri.
So the garden is built adjoining the Krishna Raja Sagara Dam, which was built across the river Kaveri. And the garden has many beautiful ficus trees around and many flowering plants like marigold, bougainvilleas, etc. The area which you can see it here is the backwaters from this dam, and on which basically the boating is done and which you'll see ahead in the video. And this location, the beautiful garden with the trees, this was an amazing locations to get good pictures clicked, and yeah, I managed to click a few good pictures. So you can very well see the beauty of this place, and the intricately trimmed shrubs, they take the shape of animals and provide really photogenic locations for people to click pictures. And yes, now it's time for boating.
रोहन तुम यही रहना, फिर तुम बैठना, अभी रुक जाओ।
हाँ बैठना उधर
इस पे स्टेप पे पैर
देखो
देखो
गलत जाके
है ही नहीं।
उधर वेट हो जाएगा ज़्यादा क्या?
इधर देखो, इधर नहीं।
I'm so scared, Rohan.
Don't be.
डर लग रहा है.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very nervous.
Why?
Because I'm scared of water.
Why you are scared of water?
Because I'm a water.
You only wanted to do boating.
But now I'm scared.
You only wanted to
Water
make.
level is too much.
You only wanted to make payment for boating. Now the payment is done. You are happy. आपका सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट तुमको ही दिया हुआ है क्या? हाँ?
टेढ़ा हो रहा है.
हाँ. Video is on.
So after completing the boating at the Vrindavan Gardens, we explored a few more places, and then we moved out of the Vrindavan Garden and we left the Mysuru city. The only thing that was left was to explore the musical fountain show, which usually took place between 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. at the Vrindavan Garden. But as I told you initially, we had less time in hand, so we couldn't wait for the musical fountain show. So nevertheless, next time maybe. But it was all over a very beautiful trip to Mysuru, and I would recommend it to all of you. Whenever you plan a visit to Mysuru, don't forget to visit the Vrindavan Gardens. It's really beautiful. And with this, I come to the end of today's video and to the end of the entire Mysuru series vlog. If you are new to my channel, then guys, please make sure to subscribe, and please do not forget to hit the bell icon to be notified any further. Hit a like, share this video with your friends, and do let me know in the comment section how did you find the entire Mysuru series vlog. And yeah, with this, I come to the end of today's video. Stay tuned, keep watching, keep smiling. Bye bye, take care.